Assalamu alaikum. I am Hareen and I am from class 7. Today I am going to present Volcano. The word volcano is originally come from the Roman god of fire, Volcano. There are some common gases like sulfur dioxide, hydrogen chloride, water vapor and carbon dioxide. The place from where magma come out is called the crater. Did you know 75% of volcanoes on the earth are founded in the Pacific Ocean called the ring fire? See how magma come out from the volcano. It is going to be very interesting. We need baking soda, food color and vinegar. So first of all we add baking soda. Some food color. I hope you enjoyed.